There we go. Got about 20 ounces or so of water for my soup. Alright, y'all. Whoa. Easy there, fella. Hey, I'm here. Hey, we're still live in Uhwarrie. We're gonna have lunch. I got Lipton soup secrets. Okay, chicken noodle. You know, I didn't read the instructions. I don't know how long it's supposed to boil. But it's the little noodles. They'll cook quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in so they can start cooking with the water as it heats up. No add-ins today, that's it. But if you want a little bit heartier meal, this would be a good place to add in some of that bagged chicken. Maybe one of the little small 1 ounce bags from Walmart or the Sweet Sue's. Hey y'all, this is one of my favorite little campsites to come hang out at, and somebody didn't do a good job. They left trash in the fire pit, and then they tried to look like they were doing something by providing some starter material, but they're just covering up their trash. So let's try to clean this guy out real quick and carry it out of here. It's a sad, sad state, y'all. You carry the can in, take it with you. I hope that's just rainwater. Let's see if they hit anything else in here. Yep. Questionable towel. Come on, y'all. Nobody wants to pick that up. We don't know what you've done with it. Alright. I think that's it. Guess I'm tying this to the outside of my pack. See how the soup's doing. No boil yet. Let's see, can you see me now? Yeah, you can see me. Alright. I got a fun-sized Snicker bar for dessert. I think she's hot enough to start cooking. So I'm gonna start the timer. We'll call it 3 minutes and we'll check it and see if it's done. You know, I actually brought a little bit of chicken to add to this, but I left it packed up in my pack. It's buried in there. I'm not digging it out. Let's see if I can fish out a noodle and check our doneness. Oh yeah, and there goes my timer. 3 minutes is plenty for the Lipton noodle, chicken noodle soup packets. I don't know how long you're supposed to cook them. I'm sure if you read the box, it'll tell you. You want to see it? It's nothing fancy. Ah. That's what we've got. It's got the noodles in it. Not sure if there's any little chicken bits or not in there. Might just be chicken flavoring. I said I was going to bring the chicken. I have the chicken. It's over there. It's in the pack. I'm not getting it out. Let's see here. Get a little bite. That's it. It's a little soup, a little hydration, a little noodles for energy. Man, that's good. Takes up less space than the ramen noodle packet. I'm not sure what the calorie difference is. Maybe I'll add it in here. We'll let's see. Here's the Lipton soup information, and here's the roasted chicken or chicken, whichever I have, ramen noodle information. Okay, so you can see the calorie difference. It's good. It's gonna make a nice trail lunch. Simple. Need the liquid for hydration. I have a bad habit of letting myself get a little bit dehydrated out here, so this hydration of soup's good for me. We'll see you on the trail. Well, now we've got to clean the pot. And when I was a teenager and hiking, and we're eating out of a cup, one of the things I was shown to do was to first pour some water in it, mix it, get everything into that water that you can, and then just drink it down real quick. That's a leave no trace way of, cleaning your pot. And that's still a good idea to get all the bits and pieces out. I pretty well got the noodles out of that guy. One of the tough things about a cup like this, though, is, I'm a big guy. I'm 6'3", and it's hard for me to get my hands in there. At home, I usually use like a baby bottle brush to clean these. But that was the first step. And the next step is you might make cocoa in your cup and have that for camp. I'm gonna take a wet towel and just try to get this stuff from sticking. There we go, clean cup. Man, gotta carry that out. Don't leave it at camp. We don't want to find it in the fire pit. Alright, we'll see you on the trail. Oh wait, I got a Snickers bar. Dessert. Have y'all ever had one of these? If you haven't, you should. You see that? Oh, look at there. Oh man. The peanuts and the nougat. There's a morale booster for these last 2 miles. Now we'll see you on the trail. Wait a minute. Hey, y'all can come with me. You don't have to stay. Unless you want to. But it's gonna rain tonight. Alright, you gotta go away so I can navigate this. Oh wait, I got easy navigation right here. Y'all wanna come with me? Hello. We're going back across now. I guess they didn't want to take us up the hill yet. We'll just run back and forth across the water instead. Funny. All right, we made it.